This brings us to the last video of today's lesson. I would like to encourage you to share your piece with me, with us. So keep in mind that you can upload it onto the Enlighten Facebook page and we can chat about it online. I am going to share mine with you now, and in the hope that you've all created something really unique, something that's come through you, been inspired by you or through you, and something that's really personal. Here is my piece for today, and I'd like to point out that I made a lot of use of the wet on wet techniques and of the wet on dry. I intentionally wanted to create kind of blurry sea-like feel, and I also wanted to have some clear lines, and I made use of the mistake. So the mistake is something that learners and new teachers need to learn to appreciate and realize that the mistake can actually lead us into a different direction. We can learn from the mistake. We can create opportunities from the mistake. Even if someone were to spill a bottle of food coloring onto their work and say, oh, this is terrible, I need a new piece of paper, it's, I can't go on. Some people get really very upset. The idea is to instill in the artist that this can change the artwork completely into something new. So the idea is to say to them, well, what happens if you put more blotches on? Or what happens if you put a bit of Jik or bleach on? Or can you create something new from this? And it really is quite a profound learning when we start to learn and appreciate the mistake. So just really encourage it. If somebody makes a blotch or a line or some wrong color, even in my one, I put my brush in the green by mistake, and I've got two kind of green lines here, but I've left it as kind of the quirk of my art piece, or one of the quirks. I feel very satisfied that I've done a monochromatic work, and now I would like to encourage you to take each color of the rainbow from red to violet and create a mandala using all the shades and tones of that particular color. And this way you will integrate the color into your being and start to use all those different aspects of each color in your paintings and artwork. So it's a process that actually becomes part of you. So how about that? That brings us to the end of today's lesson. Thank you so much for joining me once again, and I will look forward to seeing you in the next video.